Hello, hello, my beloved waking gods and goddesses. Welcome to Love, Truth, and Beauty. Do it yourself spiritual awakening for divine in the flesh. Now, with replays on IGTV at Dakini.kiss, where together we learn how to surf and navigate the ups and downs of the totality of human experience, creating a new earth beyond the limitations of this perception managed reality matrix of five senses, having discovered our true divine creative natures in our true sensual sensorial universe of seven senses, composing formless into form outside of the matrix in the true quantum field creation field universe. Before we get started, please do give this video a thumbs up. Please also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, selecting the all setting so that when I upload videos, the YouTube will let you know. I generally upload Tuesdays and Fridays, 2 p.m. Eastern. My name is Maria West, and I am your hostess of the highest, here to download, upload, inspire, and usher you into your bestest and brightest selves, your bestest and brightest light, and inviting you all to open your hearts wider and wider and wider still. Hello, my love bugs, my honey bunnies. Welcome to Love, Truth, and Beauty episode 215. Today's video goes into specifics around the energetics of mass consciousness shit shows within the matrix. Now, these mass consciousness energy shitstems are also known as egregores in occult mysticism and metaphysics, and pendulums in transurfing, all of which are energetic entities that hijacked the attention of enough followers, amassing great numbers of folks to create a consensus reality. Now, these mass consciousness realities invoke mob rule, from political correctness to pop culture's cancel culture. Okay, now there's a lot of confusion around these pendulums and egregores and as to what they are. So I thought would be a great topic to tackle in the simplest of terms, using the Devin Neunsen shit show, for instance. Now, allow me to set some ground rules, okay? I am neither advocating for this or that. I have my own personal perspective based on the credo, my body, my choice, which is, by the way, take note, in and of itself, another shitstorm divide based on your opinion and what have you. And seriously, none of it is any of y'all's business. So, fuck off with love, mwah, with all of your righteousness and assumptions about me, and stand down from wanting to go there and fight me so you can learn something and free yourself from the binds and the constructs. Now, regardless of where you stand on a topic, whatever the subject, whatever the topic is, once you adhere to membership on any side or of the polarity extremes, okay, know that your creative energies, my loves, are being hijacked and used for nefarious activities or mindsets or shitsomes of mind control without your knowledge and consent, unless, of course, you're an actual shill and psycho tool for the powers that want to be and all of their right, left, center, divide and conquer bullshit. Believe it, okay? So it is essential to wake yourself up, see yourself, see reality, exit the matrix, and own your fucking attention on every subject and topic within the matrix that gets your attention, or be an unwitting supplier of energy enabling these pendulums and egregores and mass consciousness shitstems through your willful ignorance of the evils of, say, human trafficking and child porn. Okay, that's right, I said it. Now, going back to the subject of the Devin Neunsen, it's not rocket science to notice the polarity shebang bang of Vox, no Vox, or Musk, no Musk. And I add the dramas because, it's just kind of fun. I like to make fun of it. Now, each one of these things is a separate mass consciousness energy entity in and of themselves. Okay, now remember that what you pay attention to, you actually help grow. Now, mind control within the matrix depends on divide and conquer. So you have to choose for yourself and shut the fuck up. You have to stay in your lane, allow others to be different from you, and that includes others making different choices from you and having other ideas and opinions. Oh my God, not those. Yes, those. The moment you catch yourself in a polarity, wake your snoozing self up, kids. Okay? Own your attention, exit the matrix, focus on your life, including all the aspects in your layer of reality and what you want to create, and intend that creation. Intend that layer of reality. You have to be clear about it. Now, the shit show of the 7/19, it's never going to end, kids. And the things in the matrix will never go back to normal. So those of you wanting things to go back to normal before all the 7/19's implementation, stop it. Stop it. Get real. Okay? So you have to compose your reality instead of lamenting and going down for the count. Okay? Because that normal is never happening again. The powers that want to be are banking on you, my loves, on you getting sucked into their various shitstorm dramas fueled by your own divisiveness. Now, forget about these matrix dramas, my loves. You have to go within, imagine and envision. Activate your third eye. Okay? Activate those pictures. Feel into it. See what it looks like. What are you up to? Envision your layer of reality regardless of 7/19. Focus upon the beauty that surrounds you, or the beauty that you want to surround you. The opportunity to reset and revise your layer of reality as the badass grand creator that you are. Go outside. Get outside, engage nature. Now remember, the world is not the planet. The world is the matrix. The planet is the true quantum field, creation field universe. That is where your layer of reality with all that you intend exists. So activate it, okay? The world is the matrix. The world is the matrix. The planet is the true quantum field, creation field universe. Waking up allows you to own your attention so that you can waltz in and out of the matrix undetected and unaffected by any of its shit shows, including that 7/19. Now, mobs of their left, right, center paradigms within the matrix, these pendulums and egregores, those energetic vampires of mass consciousness and mob rules, they're ready to suck down all of your life force, which is your creative energy, if you give them your attention. So don't do it, okay? You are the free creative energy source of the universe. Engage. Make your intentions and your creations so. Okay, my honey bunnies, that is my speech. Mwah. So we will continue to unpack and get intimate with our true divine creative natures as we master waltzing in and out of the matrix undetected like the superstars that we are. Please help me grow this channel by giving this video a thumbs up and leaving a comment in the comments box below or in private. Please share this video with your communities, friends, family members, and on social media platforms you feel would benefit from this content. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, selecting the all setting, so that when I upload, the YouTube will let you know. And if you find value, enjoy, or benefit from my content and videos, or at least entertained by them, won't you please consider supporting my work through a donation? My PayPal link is below, as is my link tree that hooks you up in all the many different ways that you can connect with me. I thank you all so much for your focused attention and participation. I really do appreciate it. I cannot do this work without you, and I do this for you. So until next time, my dear friends, always act from love outside of the matrix, from your center screen, composing a new reality. That's right. Let's all quantum jump our lifelines and go higher and higher and higher so that we can all be the love that we are. We can share our love. We can create, make art, make music, make love, and you can all help me repopulate the true quantum field, creation field universe, my loves. So here's to love, truth, and beauty, my divine waking gods and goddesses. Mwah!